Do you want to know how to get views on YouTube? I will share with you the top 6 ways to get views on YouTube. 1. Identify your ideal audience. If your aim is to teach people something, solve their problems, or simply entertain them, your ability to do so is based on your own knowledge of similar circumstances. You want to be precise and selective about your goals and the video content that will get you there. The greatest strength of your YouTube channel is in its unique angle to your main topic or industry. 2. Increase your audience engagement. Build relationships with your audiences. In reality, the ultimate goal here is to get more views. You can do this by replying to comments, creating reaction videos, and running YouTube contests when you reach certain milestones. 3. Create stunning YouTube thumbnails. When your potential audiences are looking for search results or recommendations, attractive thumbnails are a big part of how they determine what to watch. So, what are the best YouTube thumbnails? The thumbnail should be simple and accurate regarding the video it represents. If your thumbnail misleads viewers into clicking, this will give negative signals to YouTube algorithm, as the audience retention will drop and the watch time will go down. The thumbnail complements the video's title. Always think of different ways that can make your thumbnail stand out, such as picking a brighter color or making a weird expression when shooting your picture. 4. Promote your YouTube videos. Make good use of all your social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel. If you want to get more YouTube views, promote your video by uploading short teaser as native video to your social media and add a link back to the full video on YouTube. 5. Create YouTube playlists. The best way to reduce the likelihood that viewer will move on to another channel after watching your content is to build YouTube playlists. It's much easier now to guide your audiences toward the content they are going to watch next. In addition to playlists, cards and end screens can help you to go around the algorithm and directly impact the next choice of your audience. Select a card that connects one of your videos to another, or even better, playlists. The cards you use should be relevant and provide more information or entertainment to the part they are watching. Use end screens to encourage your audience to subscribe to your channel, visit your website, or promote other videos on your channel. 6. Ask people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. When you simply ask people, they will respond more. At the start of the video, it is important to put the call to action, as people would have less chances of being distracted by something else. The other benefit of doing this is that the viewer would already have heard the call to action if he doesn't make it to the end of the video. The more subscribers you have, the more views you will get once you publish new videos. Don't forget to remind your viewers to enable the bell notifications. If you have a question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.